Namaste. My topic for RPP is selfie. So what is selfie? Selfie is a self-portrait photograph taken with hand held in digital camera or camera in phone. The concept of selfie was started by an American pioneer in photography, Robert Cornelius, in the year 1839. In November 2013, selfie was announced as Word of the Year by Oxford English Dictionary. The world's largest group selfie includes 2,000 people taken in November 2013 in Brooklyn, New York, in international conference. There are main four types of selfie. Healthy, picture taken of your hair. Wealthy, workout selfie. Drelfie, drunken selfie. Selfie or book selfie. Selfie with furniture items. Since visuals continue to drive customers' engagement, small businesses need to take advantage of the selfie phenomenon. Sharing these types of photos can help a company connect its brand identity to customers. So how do brands use selfie for marketing their products? They use selfie through campaigns or advertisements. Selfie is becoming more popular amongst the brands because it is cost effective, and secondly, it is easy to instantly share on social websites with the help of hashtags. Now, how to use selfie in marketing? Show personality. Selfies by their very nature are personal. They are much more effective for connecting customers. For example, a selfie of employees at the office or a related event can be a powerful message that says we like to work here and we support the company's mission. Become human. It is much easier to connect to people than abstract concepts like company. Posting real employees in selfie shows that there are real people behind the brand. For example, when Nextiva posts selfie of its service team, customers know they are talking to real people. Remember, prospects buy from whom they know, like and trust. Give social proof. When customers post selfies with company's products, this is a social proof or recommendation. It acts as a perfect advertisement since it's not from the company. Share a laugh. Humor can be used to promote almost any brand, and funny photos have greater chance of spreading around the web. The selfie risk. Pictures can get posted that a company doesn't want associated with its brand. So you can edit selfies posted to your site and social media pages. Here are some brands who are riding on the selfie rage. Maggi started with a contest where people have to submit their breakfast selfie for winning Maggi goodies. They also started a campaign where people donate €1 to help persons suffering from cancer. Garnier. They started with a campaign named #ChangeToFructis with Alia Bhatt's Yellow Selfie Contest. Alia is the brand ambassador of Garnier Fructis. Pond's. Pond's came up with a selfie song and the campaign called #AreYouSelfieReady to promote their white beauty cream. Over 1.1 million Pond's India Facebook and Twitter page with 5K plus followers have been buzzing with selfie conversations. Turkish Airlines. This brand started its campaign called #ShootOutSelfie Contest by hiring two famous personalities, Kobe Bryant and Lionel Messi, to market. It lasted for 3 months and two winners were announced for most likes and were rewarded with free flight tickets. These are some other brands using selfie for marketing. Colgate for visible white toothpaste and Amul. Flying Machine and HDFC Bank. Century Ply and OLX. Here is the video of Turkish Airlines showing how it uses selfie for marketing and advertising. Thus, these brands do teach us a lesson on how important it is to keep up with the global and ongoing trends in this dynamic environment, but what it teaches us most is to keep those lovely selfies clicking. It could win you some exciting prizes after all. Thank you.